If you attempt to loop through the results of a select query a second time, it won't work unless you reset the result object. Doing so is trivially easy in MySQL. This is mysqli_reuse.php, which you can find in the chapter 5, 05_05 folder of the exercise files. The try block at the top of the page submits a select query and then stores the result set as result. In the body of the page, the while loop on lines 24 to 26 uses the fetchASOC method to display an ordered list of links. Further down on lines 30 to 33, a second while loop attempts to use the same result object to display a definition list. So if we load this into a browser, we can see what happens. The first list is displayed, but the definition list isn't. This is because a result set uses an internal pointer to keep track of the next row. Displaying the first list puts the pointer at the end of the result set, so before trying to use the results again, we need to move the pointer back to the beginning. If you watched the first half of this course, you'll have learned that MySQL doesn't have a scrollable cursor, but it does have a very simple way of moving the pointer back to the beginning of a result set. So let's do that. Before attempting to use the result set again, we need to reset pointer. So add in a couple of lines there, and then we need the result object, and we call its dataSeek method. And this takes a single argument, which is the position that you want to move the pointer to, and 0 is the first position. So if we pass 0, it will move it back to the beginning of the result set. So if we save that and refresh the browser, the definition list is now displayed correctly. You can also move the pointer to a specific record if you know its position in the result set by using that number as the argument to dataSeek. The numbers are counted from 0, so let's say you want to display in the definition list from Jack onwards. Jack is number 5 in our ordered list, so if we count from 0, that will be position 4. So let's go back to the editing program and change that to 4, save the page and refresh the browser. And we're reusing the result set from Jack. So Jack is displayed all the way down to Sophia, but everybody else is missing. So to reuse a result set, all you need to do is to call the dataSeek method on the MySQLi result object. Let's just take a quick look at that. It takes a single argument, which is the position that you want to move it to. If you want to move it to a specific row, use that particular number, but the rows are counted from 0, so setting dataSeek to 0 rewinds the result set for reuse.